if you are a beginner and interested to become a data entry professional, then these demo projects are going to help you out on getting some idea regarding the project types. Hello viewers, this is Rafi once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to give you an update regarding data entry demo files which I have been sending you guys whenever you are placing an email into the comment section of the video. But let me show you how it is just stand out. So I'm going to the video here, which is this one, data entry for beginners, and if I just go to this comment section, then here I have already over 500 comments where people are asking like to send them data entry demo files, and which is really taking some of my time. So what I have decided here, I have made a website form where you can actually provide your name, email address and country location, so that whenever you are going to place this information here on these fields, after that you have to click on this submit button, then you will receive this data entry demo file where you will find some informations of data entry projects. As you can see, demo project 1, demo project 2 and demo project 3, and I have also shared the resource files as well, so that you will be able to work on them to build up your skills on this field. Alright, so you'll find this website URL into the video description so that you'll be able to access this form easily. So that was the update regarding this tutorial. So if you are a beginner and interested to become a data entry professional, then these demo projects are going to help you out on getting some idea regarding the project types. So I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you have found this video helpful, please let me know by commenting below. Give this video a like and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos in near future. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.